Welcome, in front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your smartphone doesn't accept your PIN code. Now the first thing that I suggest that you should check is whether you're trying to enter the personal PIN code that you set up for yourself or your SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken for each other. Now once you know that you're trying to enter the personal PIN code, try entering the one that worked for you the last time. And in case this doesn't help, in case the PIN code that worked for you the last time doesn't work, let's check whether it's because some third-party application is affecting your device, or maybe your phone is lagging. So in order to safely enter your PIN code, let's go into the safe mode. To enter the safe mode, simply press power button and volume up key together for a second, and then hold down power off option until you see the message like this, then click OK and wait until your phone is restarted into the safe mode. And after your phone restarts into the safe mode, try entering the PIN code again. And in case it works for you this time, you can go to settings, then select security and privacy, device unlock, screen lock, confirm your PIN code one more time, and then select none in order to remove the screen lock. And now press power button, volume up key again, and select restart. And this time everything should work fine for you. Now if entering safe mode didn't help, then in such case I suggest that the best solution would be to try and contact the Nothing Phone customer support service. Give them tell them about your issue and provide them with the proof of ownership of this smartphone. Then in case you do that, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your phone without any problems. Now if this isn't an option for you, then you have the only option to consider, which is factory reset operation. It will erase all data from your phone, but it will let you regain access to your smartphone too. And you can perform this operation in two ways. If you have a Google account connected to your device, you can use Find Hub service, and using any other device, simply open a web browser on any of your other devices and look up Find Hub by Google. Then open this service, log into your Google account on this website, select Nothing Phone 3 on the list, and select Factory Reset. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone once again and set it up as a new device. The other way to perform a factory reset operation is locally using recovery mode. And if you have some questions about how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation on Nothing Phone 3 using recovery mode, and we explain everything step by step so you don't get lost and surely do everything right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.